it's Eileen and welcome to the Hearts. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome here. Thanks for dropping by. I am making lots of DIY projects, so make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so that if I upload a new video, you will be notified. Yeah, so let's get started. For my first DIY, I will be using this toy watering can and a planter that I got from Dollar Tree. And I also cut a small piece of a garbage can. This is optional. And I will be using this water pump as well, which I will link in the description box below. I went out and spray painted it with this silver spray paint. Then after it got dried, I dabbed the watering can with the pewter gray. I dab it onto the brush and dab the excess on the paper towel. This is called the dry brush technique, and I continue doing that to give it a galvanized look. On this project, this part is the most time consuming, so be patient. And then I just keep dabbing it until I'm happy with how it looked. And then I just lightly added some snow white acrylic paint. Then I use this foam brush to give it a rustic look. I use the amber or the burnt amber acrylic paint that I've got from Walmart. And after doing this, I did the same thing on the planter. Yep, it's really time consuming, so be patient. After dabbing and painting, I went out with this Rust-Oleum Gloss Clear. I spray painted it to seal the paint. The paint is now dry, so I went back inside and then I put these rocks that my husband brought me. He got it from the beach, and then I also arranged or put the water pump. Then now it's time to put together the fountain. I use an X-Acto knife to cut a hole in the bottom of the watering can, just big enough to fit the water pump tube. Then I put the tube inside the watering can and fit it to the spout. Here I will be using this bamboo stick. You can use any sticks that you have on hand, and then I just hot glue it for the video purposes, but please use E6000. And then I also suggest that you test the water first before hot gluing it. What I did here, I just hot glue it, and then after that the water like spill everywhere. So that's my suggestion. You need to test the water first before gluing. Then I use another bamboo stick to support the watering can. And again, use E6000 on this part. This is the part that I will be using this garbage can that I cut earlier. This will serve to protect the plant that I'm gonna put. And I also made a video how I put the plant, but the clip is missing, so this is how it looks. And I have this love grow signs that I've got from Dollar Tree. I also added that and Mud Podge it. Then here you go. I love how it turned out. I love the sound of the fountain. Yeah, so let's proceed to DIY number 2. For my next DIY, I'm really excited, and this is my favorite because I'm gonna put it in our front yard. Yeah, so I got these planters from Dollar Tree. I use E6000 and hot glue, and I let it dry the whole night so that it's secure and sturdy. Hey guys, if you will recreate some of my projects, please tag me on Instagram, Isa_heart. Yeah, and I'm so thankful because one of the one of my IG followers, she recreate the frog that I made. Her name is Frisky at 60. Yeah, so shout out to her. Thank you so much. I'm so happy I inspired you, and yeah, so guys, please tag me. I appreciate it a lot. And also follow me on Instagram. Yeah, so let's go back to our project. Here, I'm still applying the E6000 and hot glue, but the next top, or yeah, the one on top, I did not apply a hot glue or E6000 because I will explain it later. And then here I applied, or I spray painted it using the black spray paint from Walmart. It's 98 cents, and it was raining, so I went inside the garage, and I also spray painted it with the metallic, like bronze color. I did not spray painted it completely. I just lightly spray paint. And you can also use any color that you like. I use this color because it matches the color of our front yard. Then again, I'm using this Rust-Oleum clear gloss that I've got from Home Depot for $3.98. Yeah, to secure the paint. And this is how it looks like. And then I brought it inside and arranged my plant or my rose, and this is how it looks. I really love it. But my plan for this planters or this project is to make a fountain. So if you like, guys, this is one of the idea on making this planter. You can just put the plants and that's it. But for me, I need to make a fountain in our front yard, so I removed the plants and bring it inside. I use my soldering gun to put some holes. The hole in the middle is for the tube, and the other holes are for the drainage. And then I just put in the watering pump tube and added some rocks. Here, be sure not to put too many heavy rocks so that it does not put too much pressure on the containers. And then after putting some rocks, I added some pebbles that I've got from Dollar Tree. And you can stop right here, just turn on the pump and you're done. But for me, I added some succulents. And also here's why I did not hot glue the top part, because you're gonna fill up the water. The second container, you need to fill that up with water. Yeah, so you can stop right here, or you can put some succulents. These are the succulents that I've got from Dollar Tree, and what do you call this one? It's like a moss, but they are in the styrofoam. And here I tried to make a spout for the fountain using a ping pong ball, but this really tried my patience because the water only flowed out of a few holes, like 3 holes. Yep. And then so instead of ping pong ball, I borrowed a nozzle from a solar water fountain that I had on hand. I will link on the description below the fountain or the solar fountain that I use on this project. I got it from Amazon, and I think you can use that instead of the water pump. And here you go. I love how it turned out. I'm so in love. Yeah, so again, guys, thanks for watching, and let me know on the comment below what's your favorite, the DIY number 1 or DIY number 2, and what are you gonna do with this planter? Are you gonna put the plants or a fountain? Yeah, so let me know on the comment below. Shout out to all of my amazing subscribers. Thank you so much, and have an amazing weekend. Bye, guys. See you on my next DIY. God bless and take care. I love you all.